Good morning, all of class 6 students.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, good morning.
Good
Morning, sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome all of you in the GK quiz based on Republic Day. I hope you all are prepared for it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Good luck.
Okay.
First question. The Indian Constitution was prepared in how many days? A. 2 years, 10 months, 15 days. B. 3 years, 5 months, 14 days. C. 2 years, 4 months, 20 days. Or is it B. 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days?
Sir, my name is Abhimanyu and my answer is 2 years, 11 months and 18 days.
Correct. Second question. The beating retreat ceremony takes place on which date? A. January 23rd. B. January 29th. C. January 20th. D. January 24th.
Sir, my name is Yeja. So my answer is January 29.
Okay. Third question. The centenary of Mahatma Gandhi's arrival in South Africa was celebrated in A. May 1993, B. August 1993, C. July 1993, D. September 1993.
So my name is Mudit and my answer is May 1993.
Okay, next question. How many gun salutes are presented to the President on Republic Day? 20 gun salutes, 24 gun salutes, 22 gun salutes, or 21 gun salutes?
Sir, my name is Meghansh and my answer is 21 gun salutes.
Very good. Next question. What did the Paramveer Chakra replace when India became a republic? A. Victoria Cross. B. Victory Terminus Cross. C. Victory. Or is it D. Elizabeth Cross?
Sir, my name is Navya and my answer is Victoria Cross.
Okay, correct. Next question. Two newspapers had been started by Lokmanya Tilak for the Indians during the freedom struggle. What are the names?
Sir, my name is Aman. My answer is Marathi.